Happy Sunday to all of us. How are you? How are you? To all people living in this earth. Kumusta, kumusta? And to all some vlogger that are still helping and continue giving me a support in this channel. Thank you very much talaga. So that is our day. And some sweets from her. Okay, it's delicious yan. It's very nice yan. It's time. Diba? Yan. So you can search to their shop, to their this one, juice, sweet and coffee. Okay. My favorite, this one is mango. I don't know if there is mango here. And this one also. Okay. Search. This one is very delicious. Ayan, open na kasi kaya pwede kong buksan. I can open this one because it's already open. Diba? Mamaya i-try ko kaya yan. Sarap yan. Diba? And this one also. It's open. So, I can open. But I don't know what inside this one. I have no rights to open that one. It's not for me. That is for my madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the friends of madam. The friends of Sir and the friends of Cici and the Coco and to the whole families of them. To the whole families of them. Okay. So thank you very much. I just want to picture this one. It's not for me. It's not for me. I just want to give you so that I can make download for my channel. That's what I have. Subscribe, likes, and comments. And this one, I can't open. Yeah, it's open naman din. I can open because it's open also na dero. They open already, so I can open. Wow, I love it. Oh, you see? Very good. I finished it already. Okay. So thank you again. Thank you for watching and bye.